Calculate number of atoms of each type present in 9.48 grams of potash alum. And potash alum formula is given. So we need to find out the number of potassium atoms, sulfur atoms, oxygen atoms, aluminum atoms, and hydrogen atoms. Atoms of each type means. Let us see the flow. So from the mass which is given to us, they are given as mass of potash alum. From there we are going to find out number of moles potash alum. Then you are going to find out number of molecules. Then we will find out number of atoms of each type. So molar mass is required for this. So molar mass that we can find out. They are given as a potash alum formula, K2SO4, everything is there. So we know the atomic masses. Finally we need to find out the molar mass. It comes out to be 948. Now number of molecules. So molecules will be moles into Avogadro's number Na. Now moles, first of all, moles will be equal to, so moles of alum. Moles of alum is equal to mass by molar mass. 9.48 grams, molar mass 948, which is equal to 10 to the power of minus 2 moles are there. When it comes to molecules, multiplying into Avogadro's number. So number of molecules is equal to number of moles 10 to the power of minus 2 into Avogadro's number 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23. So many molecules are there. Now comes out to be number of atoms of each type. When you take potash, it is K2SO4 is given. There are 2 potassium atoms now. So therefore, number of potassium atoms will be equal to Avogadro's number, common to all of them, into 10 to the power of minus 2. Up to here number of molecules are there, into 2. Number of potassium atoms means, which is equal to 1.204 10 to the power of 22. Next, aluminum atoms. Aluminum atoms are also same in number because Al2 is there now. So it remains same for us. No change in that. Then comes number of sulfur atoms. Sulfur atoms are SO4 taken thrice is there. So sulfur atom means we will getting SO4 taken thrice are there now. So should be multiplied by altogether. See 3 atoms of sulfur are there. So sulfur atoms is equal to again 6.023. 10 to the power of 23 will come. 10 to the power of minus 2 will be moles now. Now it is SO4 taken thrice is there. Sulfate ions are altogether 3 in number. So into 3. Then coming towards oxygen atoms. Let us find hydrogen atoms first. Easy in number. So 6.023 10 power 23 into minus 2 we have into number of hydrogen atoms are 24 H2O. 24 into 2, 48 are coming. So into 48. Then next number of oxygen atoms. Again number of moles 23 into 10 to the power of minus 2 number of moles into number of oxygen atoms. Oxygen atoms are there in sulfate units. Totally we have 4 sulfate units are there. So here 4 sulfate units are there, should multiply it into 4, not 3, sorry, it is into 4 here. 4 sulfate units are there. So each sulfate has 4 oxygen atoms. So those oxygen atoms plus 24 H2O is also there now. Comes out to be 40 altogether. 40. So multiplying each one, this will be, so 2.4 10 power 22 into 48 2.89 10 power 23. This is equal to 40 means 2.4 10 to the power of 23 we have. So principle is mass to moles, moles to molecules, molecules to atoms we have. For mass to moles we have divided by molar mass of the substance, and molecules multiplying into Avogadro's number. Then to get number of atoms, multiply into atomicity. So these are the answers given to us.